This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the Timex and confirming basic settings. Plug in or insert the correct battery because unreliable power causes wrong time. Once done, find the mode and set buttons and the crown on hybrids so you won't fumbling. Press and hold mode for 2 to 3 seconds to enter the time set menu. You'll see digits flash. Make sure to pick 24 versus 12-hour display now, since that controls subsequent inputs and prevents AM/PM errors later. You now change the specific fields, which is where precision matters. Use mode to move between hours, minutes, month, day, and year. Each field will flash so you know what you're editing. Then press Start/Stop or the +/- buttons to advance values quickly, and use the crown on hybrids for exact analog hand alignment. Once each field is correct, press mode to save it. Finally, program alarms and the hourly chime while you're still in settings. This keeps everything synced and avoids re-entry. You finish by exiting settings and verifying accuracy. Press mode repeatedly until the normal display returns. Check AM or PM and glance at seconds to ensure the watch runs. If your Timex supports smartphone sync or radio time signal, sync now for better long-term accuracy. If the watch is unresponsive, remove the battery for about 10 seconds and reinsert to reset hardware. Should problems persist, perform a factory reset as last resort, because that clears saved alarms and preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.